Welcome to Academic Counseling Academy and welcome to another exciting video. Today we will be discussing the topic how to choose course of study based on personality type. If this is your first time on this channel is focused on providing academic counseling information to prospective tertiary students in Nigeria. You can watch my welcome video for more details. Do well to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel and set the enable notification button on so you don't miss any of our valuable videos. I want to encourage you to please watch this video to the end, as you will gain the full body of knowledge only when you have watched this video to the end. Let's dive into the video. I want to begin by saying that there are different methods of choosing a course of study other than personality type. Personality type is just one strategy of choosing your course of study. Other methods of choosing course of study are covered in other videos. In this video, I will be covering 5 different types of personality and courses you can study as examples if you measure highly on any of the personality types. The first personality type is openness to experience. This personality type has a tendency to appreciate new ideas, new values and beliefs, new feelings and behaviors. People that score high on this personality type are characterized by being fantasy prone, open to different behaviors, open to different feelings, open to new and different ideas, and open to various values and beliefs. Courses that are a good fit for someone high in openness to experience foster creativity, exploration, and intellectual curiosity. This would include creative arts like painting, sculpting, photography, music, or dance that can tap into an individual's creative side and encourage exploration of different mediums and techniques. Courses in humanities like history, philosophy, literature, and comparative religion provide opportunities to delve into different cultures, ideas, and perspectives, fostering intellectual curiosity and a wider understanding of the world. Courses in social sciences such as sociology, anthropology, and psychology can offer insight into human behavior, social structures, and the complexities of the human experience. Courses in sciences, depending on specific interests, such as physics, chemistry, or biology, can be engaging and intellectually stimulating. Courses in software development, web design, or graphic design can provide opportunities for creative problem solving and innovation, while also allowing for a deeper understanding of technical concepts. Courses in travel and exploration that facilitate travel or experiential learning can broaden perspective and expose individuals to new cultures and environment. Courses in business, marketing, and innovation can provide the tools and knowledge needed to bring creative ideas to life, such as in entrepreneurship and innovation, and building successful ventures can fit someone high in this personality type. Individuals high in openness to experience may also find interest in continuing education programs, online courses, workshops, or even self-directed learning in areas that piqued their interest. In general, this personality type like courses that provide opportunities for creative expression, intellectual exploration, exposure to new ideas and perspectives, problem solving and innovation, and experiential learning. The second personality type is conscientiousness. This personality type has a tendency to be hardworking, careful, neat, on time for appointments, persevering, punctual, and follow rules. People that score high on this personality type are characterized by being competent, orderly, self-disciplined, achievement-oriented, dutiful, and similar qualities. Hence, courses of study that fit this personality type are those that require attention to detail, organization, and responsibility, which include engineering, law, accounting, medicine, and certain areas of science and technology. Courses of study like law, accounting, and engineering often require meticulous attention to detail and a high level of accuracy. A course that can fit people high in conscientiousness is project management. Studying project management can help conscientious individuals learn project management methodologies required to organize tasks, track progress, and ensure projects are completed on time and within budget. Certain courses in science and technology, such as data analysis and business analytics, require conscientiousness and attention to detail. However, conscientiousness is a strong indicator of success in any field an individual is focused on studying. Conscientious individuals are often highly successful in higher education, irrespective of course of study, as they tend to be dedicated, focused, and organized. Courses of study that emphasize organization, responsibility, and meticulous attention to detail, as well as those where these traits are strongly linked to academic success, tend to be well suited for conscientious personalities. The third personality type is extraversion. This personality type has a tendency to be sociable, active, talkative, fun-loving, affectionate, and enjoy others. People that score high on this personality type are characterized by being warm, excitement-seeking, have positive emotionality, and assertive. Individuals high in extraversion would enjoy courses such as human resource management, social work, or nursing. Human resource management often work in roles that involve conflict resolution, mentoring, coaching, and promoting collaboration, all of which are areas where extroverted people can thrive. Social workers advocate for individuals and families requiring strong communication, empathy, and the ability to build rapport, which are skills suitable for extroverted individuals. Nursing, especially with a focus on direct patient care like pediatric nursing, geriatric nursing, and similar courses, requires interacting with patients using their communication skills and compassion to help them, can be a good fit for people high in this personality type. Psychology and education programs, especially those focusing on counseling or social psychology, can be a good fit for individuals high in this personality type, as they enjoy interacting with people and helping them work through issues. Business and marketing courses often require strong communication skills and sales skills, which can be advantageous for extroverted individuals. Therefore, courses selected for this personality type must align with the social, affectionate, and outward personality of individuals high in this personality type. The fourth personality type is agreeableness. This personality type has the tendency to agree with others, good-natured, forgiving, gullible, and go along with others rather than assert their own opinions and choices. People that score high on this personality type are characterized by being trusting, altruistic, modest, compliant, and tender-minded. Course of study for individuals with agreeableness align with fields that emphasize empathy, collaboration, and helping others. It includes courses such as psychology, social work, education, and human resources, where understanding and teamwork are critical to success. Moreover, these courses often require kindness, compassion, and ability to build strong relationships. Social work focuses on helping individuals and communities navigate social challenges. Hence, the ability to empathize, build trust, and collaborate with diverse populations is particularly suitable for this personality type. Psychology, especially areas such as clinical psychology, counseling, and developmental psychology, often benefit from agreeable traits of compassion, empathy, and desire to support others. Counselors work with individuals, couples, and families to address emotional and behavioral issues. Agreeable individuals are often skilled in building rapport, understanding different perspectives, and providing support. Teachers and educators need to be able to connect with students, understand their individual needs, and create a supportive learning environment. Agreeable individuals are often effective at fostering a positive classroom culture. Human resource professionals play a vital role in managing employees, resolving conflicts, and fostering a positive work environment. Agreeable traits like collaboration, empathy, and ability to mediate conflict are highly valued in this field. Nursing and healthcare professionals often work in teams and need to provide compassionate care to patients. Agreeable traits such as communication, empathy, and ability to build trust are essential for this personality type. Communication and public relation fields involve building relationships with various stakeholders and promoting positive messaging. Agreeable individuals are often skilled in communicating effectively, building rapport, and understanding different perspectives. The fifth personality type is neuroticism. This personality type has a tendency to frequently experience negative emotions such as worry, anger, sadness, as well as being interpersonally sensitive. That is, easily feel irritable about people's actions around him or her, constantly worrying about little things and feeling inadequate. People that score high on this personality type are characterized by being anxious, depressed, impulsive, and vulnerable. While there is no course of study specifically designed for individuals high on this personality type, some courses that may help with this personality type include psychology and health education. Psychology courses especially majors that focus on emotional understanding and mental health, and health education can be helpful for individuals with this personality type. You will notice from all these categorizations that number one, some courses of study overlap into different groups of personality types, which means that the categorizations are intended for learning different personality types of individuals and how they function, but does not mean that one particular course of study will strictly belong to only one personality type. Number two, a student that scores high on one personality type can be low on another personality type, which means that the student should look at a personality type that closely matches one's character and the student feels he or she scores high on. Search out courses for the personality type and select one, assuming all other considerations have been accounted for. So there you have the 5 personality types and how to choose course of study based on different personality types. On a final note, this video is providing general information that does not account for your specific circumstance or situation. Do book for a personalized coaching session where all the factors regarding your personal situation can be accounted for, or consult your education counselor before choosing your course of study in Nigeria tertiary educational institutions. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so, and set the enable notification button on to ensure you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Hope you have gained the point of this video. Stay safe and stay blessed. See you in my next video. Goodbye.